How to fix OneDrive login error. So if you're trying to sign into OneDrive and getting stuck with login errors, different error codes, or a constant sign-in loop, it usually comes down to a corrupted credential caches or a stuck background process. So let us clear out those errors and get you back on track. Okay, so just find your executable for OneDrive. That's going to be our first step. Right click on it. I'm just going to show you this on the example of other executable. I'm just going to take the Word one, you right click, then you copy as path, open up your run window right here, then you type, just paste in the name, the path, like this, remove the brackets from both sides, and then just go /reset. Don't forget, guys, do this with the OneDrive.exe executable, alright? And then press OK. This will relaunch your app fully and clear out some of the corrupted cache. So right here in the bottom right, where you have your cloud icon appear, it will disappear for a bit and then reappear. Then guys, the second fix is we need to just reset this error by deleting the expired or corrupted login details in your system credentials. So to start, open up your Start menu, type in Credential Manager, go here, and then let me just resize it. You go to Windows Credentials, and then you just scroll all the way down, guys, and find the credentials that are related in any way to your OneDrive. That can be OneDrive or Microsoft account. Click on the drop-down arrow next to each one and click Remove and confirm yes. And once cleared, reboot your PC and open up OneDrive to sign in again. And the last thing you can do is you just open up your OneDrive here in the settings from the bottom right and go into settings, go to account tab, and then just choose unlink this PC. So that will just make sure to log you out, and then you can just use that same account and log in cleanly again. Enjoy. If this was helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel.